spotlight for Holiday 2025 is firmly on Nike's highly anticipated Dunk Low Gore-Tex, which has quickly emerged as the most sought-after sneaker featuring the weatherproof material. While other Gore-Tex makeovers are on the horizon, this pair dominates attention thanks to its blend of style and climate-ready functionality. Official studio images confirm details first hinted in leaked shots, showcasing its standout features. The collar and tongue are covered with gridded synthetics, while a reworked swoosh in bold materials adds a fresh twist. Beneath it all, a cushioned base enhances comfort, and the outsole now boasts wavy grooves designed to handle slip conditions. This blend of fashion and utility secures the Dunk Low Gore-Tex as a leader in durability without sacrificing style. Despite its buzz and detailed previews, Nike has yet to confirm an exact release date, heightening anticipation among sneaker fans worldwide.